Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that education has the power to make the country successful and to change the destiny of the country. Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar today convened an all-party meeting in his chamber to break deadlock in the upper house. The India Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rainfall over east and northeastern states for the 5 days. The National Education Policy NEP 2020 is all set to complete 3 years of its successful implementation across all the educational institutions in the country. In Rajasthan, G20's official engagement group Civil 20 summit will kick off this evening in Jaipur.